Today is the 11th of December. It was supposed to be the Brexit vote in London, but it ain't gonna happen. Anyway, I'm here in Mumbai at my park near my apartment here. And Mumbai is telling the world they're building a high-class 22nd century road along the coast, which is actually going to be underground, like a tunnel. And they say 22nd, and I'm taking this video just to show you they're using 18th century equipment to do soil sampling, I think so, and to build a 22nd century road, as they're telling everybody. And here is another 18th century offshore jackup, so to speak. And I don't know what they are going to be doing there, but it's fixed-legged, so I don't know. That might be the tunnel goes all the way up there, but kind of instructive to what they tell and what actually happens. And they're building this pier, and I doubt any studies have been made on literal ships. And I'm expecting in the monsoon this whole place is going to be washed away because of that obstruction from that jetty or whatever that is going to be. I don't know how far it goes into the sea, but and then they have this drum stacked here. I don't know what for, but could be just a marker for this this 18th century rig doing soil sampling. So anyway, c'est la vie.